It's Chloe from the Chloe Bruce Academy. Welcome to another bow staff tutorial. Today we're going to cover a 6-strike combo. So it's taking 6 individual strikes and comboing them together into a short 6-move combo. This is the combo you're going to learn. Good. Okay guys, let's get cracking. So grab yourselves a bow staff or a broomstick, a piece of wood, piece of metal, whatever you want to swing around your body. We're going to start off bringing the bow staff up to your right shoulder. Your right hand should be at the back, and we're going to do an overhead strike down. Okay, coming into a forward stance with your left leg in front. From there, cross to the right shoulder here. So it's just hitting on the top of your arm, okay? Not on the shoulder, the top of the arm. Then straight back again. So going side, side. Then from there, we're gonna go up and down. So up to the left shoulder, down, straight under the armpit. So again, from here, bring that bow staff up to that left shoulder and down, stepping out into our forward stance. From there, side, side. 1, 2, up, down, 3, 4. Good, then to do strike number 6, there's 2 ways of doing this. 1 is a backwards figure of 8, and 2 involves a few more strikes on the way. The first option is the backwards figure of 8, which I personally looks more flashy and it's more creative. But if you're looking for a more traditional aspect, then I would go for the second option, which I will show in a second. So, option number 1, backwards figure of 8. The top end of the bow staff, so the bow staff end that's in front of you, you're going to bring up towards your face and then down the left side of your body. Carry on that backwards figure of 8 up to the right shoulder. Step that foot back at the same time, then come back out with the same foot into that overhead strike that we did at the beginning of this combination. Okay, one more time. Up with a bow staff, down the left side of the body, up to that right shoulder, and attack down. Okay, and to make it look even nicer, what I normally do on that last strike down, watch this backhand. I just make that stance longer with my hands. So I transition that hand, backhand, down the bow staff, and here, hit it against my ribs there. Okay, so we have option number 1 is up to that right shoulder, down, side, side, up, down, backwards figure of 8, up to that right shoulder, and attack downwards. That's option A. Option B is exactly the same start. So we're starting on that right shoulder, coming down, side, side, up, down. Now the transition here is slightly different. We're going to go over the head to a downward strike, upward strike, attack. So again, option B is start with that bow staff on that top right shoulder, coming down, side, side, up, down, over the head, striking. So now your right hand should be in front and your arm should be in this position. Then from there you can just come up, back to that top shoulder and out for that strike. And again, once more, I just lengthen that backhand back just for a real nice finish on that combination. I'll just show you both versions from the side. So option A, we're going to start on this right shoulder, come down, 1, 2, 3, 4, scoop that figure of 8, down, And then option B is start on that right shoulder, down, cross, cross, up, back, over the head, up, down. Very, very similar, just slight differences. So now I'm going to show you both of those versions, fast, full speed.